Did you know you can now clone any website in minutes? Yes, Gamma helps you to clone any website you want. No coding, no effort. Just paste a link, and AI does the rest. Here's how it works. To clone any website, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Import the website. Visit Gamma AI using the link in the description and click Create New. Select Import File or URL and choose Import URL. Paste the link of the website you want to clone. Once the import is complete, select Web Page to proceed. Step 2. Select the AI models. Gamma AI analyzes the site and extracts all content automatically. Choose your AI models for content generation, including Flux Pro, Imagen 3, Ideogram, and Luma Photon. Step 3. Select a theme. Go to the theme and pick one that matches your style or brand. Step 4. Website generation. Once you are through with all the previous steps we've talked about, the AI builds your website in under a minute, and here is how it does it. Step 5. Customize everything. Once the website is generated, then, go ahead and customize everything. Modify the layout, tables, graphs, and other design elements. Step 6. Edit content with AI. Under this step, you can generate or refine text and images using AI tools. Step 7. Publish your website. Add your custom domain and launch the site directly from Gamma. So you see, AI-powered website creation has never been easier. Try it out today. Follow the link in the description below and start cloning websites.